Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for you to join me, and I wanted to share with you a special thing I learned how to do. It's called a flower crown. It's my first time filming a YouTube video, so I'm super nervous, but at the same time very happy that I finally decided to do it. And I think it's gonna make your loved ones very happy. It can be gifted to your friends, to your co-workers, to anybody really you know, and they would really feel special, especially since you make it from by yourself. It's called a flower crown. It's not really hard to make. You do need to buy several items at the dollar store, or you can order them on Amazon. Also, you will need the flowers, which you can buy in any grocery store. Today I chose these flowers. It's gonna be for a white flower crown. It's very important first to choose, I would say, three kind of flowers, and the most important one is also to have volume flowers. You can buy anything really similar to that. And I chose this little roses and these flowers, which kind of look like big daisies to me. We're gonna start with a wire. I'm gonna go ahead and measure our head like this. So I'm using a very thin wire because this is the wire that I found in the dollar store, but if you do have a thicker wire, that would be really good. And I'm gonna be making bunny ears like this. So make bunny ears. And it really doesn't have to be the size of your head exactly, because in the bunny ears, we're gonna attach like a ribbon in the end, and it will be tying into your head, kind of, to the flower crown, like this. And I just kind of twist it, as you can see. Okay. So I made a wire that is pretty thin. If you can see, it's really thin. I'm gonna make a second wire on top of it, just so it will be a little bit more durable. And I'm just doubling up the wire. So exactly the same thing I do on the top. This is how the wire turns out. Like this, 2 bunny ears, and like this. So we're gonna be putting the flowers on top of this. So first I will cut the flowers like this. And then I will be using this tape, which is kind of like a flower garden tape. It's a special tape you buy at the dollar store. Mine I ordered on Amazon, but then found out it is available at the dollar store. So yeah, you can purchase this there. I'm gonna be spinning like this and creating a small bouquet. Now the important part, not to use too much tape and to really go towards the roots of the flower, because I want it to look tight. Be cutting it like this. And then we're gonna start with the end towards one direction. So choose a direction. I'm gonna be doing this direction. So if this is my bunny ear, I'm putting this over here. You see? Here's my bunny ear. And I'm gonna use the tape again to put it in like this. just going around the wire. Again, I'm taking this and attaching it to the roots like this. Can you see? I wanted to show you how I put the small flower arrangements like this, as you can see. Then it's just easier for you to attach it. So I have a bunch of ones that I made, and then I'm gonna be taking this, I cut. You wanna leave this area out, like not too big, but also not too small. And when I cut the roses up, I will cut them like this. So this is how it's gonna look. And then when I attach it, do you see? It will look like this. I wanted to show you that when you use this tape, it's very sticky from one side, but when you pull, that's when the tape gets activated. So it's important when you do the flower little mini bouquets and when you put them onto the wire, you really try to pull, but try not to rip it because it's very, very gentle. So I just want to show you again the technique because it is a little bit difficult to do it first. That was the hardest part for me. So let's say I'm gonna do this bouquet. I'm gonna show you again how I do the tape technique. I start from the top as much as I can. I put it around and then I pull a little bit and I go around. I pull a little bit and I go around. Pull a little bit like this, okay? When it gets stretched, that's when the tape gets activated. And you want to make them as tight as possible because it's going to be more stable. And then it just sticks. You see? This is how I want it to look like. So when you're going to be attaching it to the flower crown, it looks like this. And then again, we take the tape, take a piece, start from the top. I love when you see the little green flowers. I think it looks, the leaves, sorry. It looks beautiful. So this is how I'm going to be attaching it. And again. Like this. So I'm very excited for you to see the final product. It's gonna be a beautiful flower crown. And it's already starting to get a shape. So imagine this is the end. Yeah. Just continue on the same path like this. What's good that this tape rips on its own. So it's very, very easy. And you start from the top again, like this. And you just work around it. It's very important to put tape as in the top as you can, because it makes it stable and not move. You don't want the flowers to fall. Look. Do you see how pretty it looks? We still have all the way to here. I'm so excited. for you to see the final product. And how special it is that you can give your friends something, or your parents, or your neighbors, anybody really, something that you created. Usually in downtown, those flower crowns, before I knew how to make them, cost about between $70 to $100 per flower crown. Depends on the flowers you choose and everything else. And I understand, because the cost is also your working time, and usually takes me about an hour and a half to 2 hours, plus the flowers that you need to buy. So I guess the cost is kind of legit. But now that I know how to make it myself, I've been giving it to all my friends for their birthdays, and they really like it. So I decided to do a video and teach all of you how to do it. I'm gonna be adding this now. Look how cute. Really, you can add any flowers you want, any color scheme you want. I could have added red ones, purple ones, orange ones, leaves. It's just each time I choose different ones, because then each flower crown is more unique, more special. I'm gonna touch a flower here, and you can see that there's no specific order. Now, if you feel like there's a couple flowers that are coming out, you can just cut them. Do a little haircut in the end if you feel like a couple are too much. It's so famous, those flower crowns, for weddings in Israel, and also for maternity photo shoots and for newborn pictures. People use them all the time. But in Canada, I feel like it's not that popular yet. Or it is, but they usually do fake ones, not from real flowers. I'm finally done with my flower crown. Wanted to share with you the final product. If you do like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to hear all your comments, all your thoughts. I'm planning on doing some more videos, but this is, meantime, how it looks. I hope you like it. I think it turned out really nicely, and I can't wait to give it to my friend tomorrow for her birthday. So thank you for watching me, and I hope to see you more on my channel. Bye.